YouTube channel. So today we are going to study about the topic that is classification of phylum chordata up to classes Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves and Mammalia. Okay, so the phylum chordata that is divided into different type of classes, that is Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, aves and mammals. So phylum chordata basically is divided into two different type of groups, that is group Craniata and group Craniata. So in Craniata group, the organism that is without skull or the cranium that included in Craniata groups. The group Craniata is divided into hemichordata, urochordata and cephalochordata. So, in group Craniata or euchordata, in this cranium means the brain box is present. The organisms are aquatic or terrestrial, large sized higher chordates were included. Again, the organism that show jaws and brain protected by skull or the cranium. So, the group Craniata included only one subphylum. That subphylum is vertebrata. So, vertebrata, that is in Latin, the vertebratus means backbone. So, the presence of backbone here. The notochord replaced by vertebral column. Body divisible into head, neck and tail. Organisms are dioecious. What is mean by dioecious? Dioecious means the sexes are separate. That is male and female sexes were separate. Again, vertebratus, that is presence of vertebral column. You can see here in this diagram or in the flow chart. So group Craniata included only one subphylum. That subphylum is vertebrata. Again, this vertebrata that shows the two division, that is Agnatha and Gnathostomata. The Agnatha included class Ostracodermi and Cyclostomata, and Gnathostomata included Pisces and Tetrapoda. As we know that all Pisces or all fishes that included in the superclass Pisces, and again the division Agnathostomata, it included the superclass Tetrapoda. Tetrapoda means 4 foot, that is land vertebrate with two pairs of pentadactyl limb and cornified skins and lungs were included. Again, so superclass Pisces. So class Chondrichthyes, that is cartilaginous fishes. You can see in the diagram. So example of cartilaginous fishes, stingray and the shark. Again, Ostrichthys, that is bony fishes. Here you can see the class Amphibia. So class Amphibia includes the larval stages are aquatic and breathed by the gills. The adult and terrestrial, and that is respire by the lungs. Skin is moist, glandular with no external scales, and heart is 3-chambered. So, 2 auricles and 1 ventricle is there. Example, the best example of amphibia is frog. As we know that, so larval stages of the frog are aquatic and adult, that is respire by the lungs. Again, the next class, that class is Reptilia. As we know that these are the terrestrial tetrapoda, creeping animals, skin dry, covered by ectodermal horny scales or bony plates. Heart is incompletely 4-chambered. So what is incompletely 4-chambered heart? That is 2 atria and one ventricle is present. There is Incomplete heart is there. Again, respiration by lungs and organisms are cold-blooded organism. Okay, cold-blooded organism means poikilotherms, means the organism changes their body temperature according to the surrounding or according to the surrounding environment. Again, the next is class Aves. So typically flying vertebrate covered with the feathers. So you can see forelimbs modified into the wings. As we know that tetra means four poda, that is forelimb and the hind limb. So here in the aves, forelimb modified into the wings. Tooth were absent, that is no teeth in the beak. Again, heart is four chambered, that is two auricles and two ventricles. Here you can see the organisms are warm blooded organisms. So the organism can maintain their body temperature. Again, the class Mammalia. So body is covered by hair, skin, glandular. Next characteristics is female with mammary gland for suckling the young ones. So, female can secrete the milk for feeding the young ones, for suckling the young ones, female with the mammary glands. Again, heart is four chambered, that is two auricles and two ventricles. Here, organisms are warm blooded and air breathing